At Heart Evangelista, hindi kaya kapag nawala si Chess. I swear, ako na lang ang mauna. Feeling ng kapuso actress na si Heart Evangelista, hindi niya kakayaning mabuhay sakaling mawala ang kanyang asawang si Senate President Chis Escudero. Napag-usapan ang health condition ni Senator Chis sa pagbisita ni Heart sa Fast Talk with Boy Abonda kahapon na naging issue nga ilang buwan na ngayon ang nakakaraan. Kumalat last April 5, 2024 ang balita na na-stroke raw ang senador at isinugod sa St. Luke's Medical Center sa Taguig City. Hindi nang salita o naglabas ng official statement ang public servant ni Senator Chis about this. Pahayag ni Heart tungkol sa kalusugan ng kanyang asawa, "He's very good. He's super good now. He had an episode. It was an episode and it was a scary episode, but it was a wake-up call for all of us to just really make sure that health is well. And now he's doing very, very good. Everything perfect and I make sure perfect." Sabi pa ng kapuso actress na hindi naman nabanggit kung ano talaga ang naging karamdaman ng asawa. Kasunod dito nabanggit nga ni Heart na parang hindi niya kayang mabuhay ang mag-isa kapag may nangyaring hindi maganda kay Chess at iwan siya. If he goes, I go. You jump, I jump. I swear, ako na lang ang mauna. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Iiyak na naman ako. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi talaga. Huwag naman. Ang emosyonal na sabi pa ng aktres. Sundot na tanong ni Tito Boy, "You're very emotional about it." Tugon ng aktres, "Yes, because it is a cruel world. It's a man world. And without Chis, I don't know how will I survive because he's my everything. Of course, God's my everything but mauna na lang talaga ako." Sabi pa niya. Samantala, ikinumusta rin ni Tito Boy ang pagiging presidente ng Senate Spouse Foundation ni Heart kasabay ng pagiging Senate President ni Chis. It's also very tough for me kasi I have a lot of questions. I don't know what to do. I am scared but then ayoko naman din siya abalahin pa. So I just have to trust my intuition and my heart that I mean well and I'll do my best. Aniya pa. Muling pumirma ng kontrata si Heart Evangelista sa GMA Network mahigit 16 na taon nang nasa bakuran ng Kapuso Network ang actress. Ayon kay Heart ay hindi madali ang kanyang mga pinagdaanan noong lumipat sa GMA. I've been through so much with GMA. Sobrang dami kong pinagdaanan. Nung dumating ako sa GMA, sobrang I was in a bad state of mind. I was heartbroken. I felt like I had nowhere to go. And they really gave me an opportunity that was one of the biggest contracts I signed in my life. I'm just so grateful to be given an opportunity. Thank you so much. Hindi ako poproblemahin ng asawa ko kaya ako ulit bayaran yung credit cards but truly, thank you so much. Nakangiting bungad ni Heart.